Samsung S Pen Guide, Models, Features, and Compatibility for Every Device. The Samsung S Pen has evolved from being a stylus exclusive to the Galaxy Note series to becoming an essential tool for many Samsung devices. Today, the S Pen is more versatile and widely supported than ever before. Whether you're using a Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Fold 6, Z Fold 5, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 3, any Note series device, the Galaxy Tab S series, or even laptops like the Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 and Book 5 360, the S Pen makes it easy to write, draw, and navigate directly on your screen. Even if your device didn't come with an S Pen, Samsung offers several models designed to fit your needs. Currently, Samsung offers three main versions of the S Pen: the S Pen Fold Edition, S Pen Pro, and S Pen Creator Edition. Choosing the right one depends on your device compatibility and desired features. S Pen Fold Edition. The S Pen Fold Edition is designed exclusively for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5, and Z Fold 6. It includes a convenient case and features a precise auto-retractable tip to protect your foldable screen. However, this model does not support Bluetooth or air actions, making it best suited for users who prioritize writing and drawing over advanced controls. S Pen Pro. The S Pen Pro is Samsung's most versatile stylus, offering compatibility with nearly every S Pen supported device. From tablets like the Galaxy Tab S6 through S11 to smartphones including the Note series, S21 Ultra, S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra, and S25 Ultra, this S Pen is perfect for power users. It features Bluetooth, air actions, and an auto-retractable tip, making it ideal for presentations, media control, and seamless multitasking. The S Pen Pro even includes its own charging capability for long-lasting performance. S Pen Creator Edition. The Creator Edition is tailored for artists, designers, and professionals who need precision. Compatible with Galaxy tablets, Note devices, and Galaxy Books, this stylus offers interchangeable hard and soft tips for customized drawing experiences. While it doesn't support Bluetooth or air actions, it provides an exceptional writing and sketching feel, making it perfect for creatives. S Pens for Galaxy S models. For Galaxy S series devices, including the S21 Ultra through S25 Ultra, Samsung offers model-specific S Pens. These pens come with Bluetooth and air action support, though some newer models, such as the Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen, do not include charging or advanced gesture controls. These S Pens deliver a smooth and accurate writing experience, perfect for everyday tasks. Key features to explore. Samsung's S Pen lineup offers much more than simple writing. With air actions, you can control media playback, navigate your device, and even launch apps with a wave of the pen. Many models include Bluetooth capabilities, allowing for remote presentations and advanced features like S Pen Unlock. Additionally, interchangeable tips and customizable settings mean you can fine-tune your S Pen for work, creativity, or entertainment. Choosing the right S Pen. If you own a Galaxy Z Fold, the Fold Edition is your best bet. Power users who want universal compatibility and advanced controls should opt for the Pro Edition. Creators, on the other hand, will love the precision of the Creator Edition. For Galaxy S and Note series devices, sticking with the model-specific S Pen ensures the best experience. Samsung's S Pen lineup continues to push the boundaries of mobile productivity and creativity. Whether you're taking notes, sketching designs, or navigating presentations, there's an S Pen designed to enhance your workflow.